What's up, guys, gals, and book nook pals? Pluck the Bunny with a review of the Notre Basilica De Montreal Cathedral Book Nook kit from MiniCity, and a review of the Ohuhu Kahuku markers, since this is the first real test of these markers in practice. So let's just take a look at the outside of this kit first to get a little more light on it. So you can see the edge. Oh, I missed a couple spots there. That's on me. But the edge painting on this is really great. You can see the corners. They really blend well in with the kit itself. And you can actually see I was able to, right here on the corner, I was able to match these stripes. This is all edge painting here. I was able to match them pretty close. Get the colors you see as it wraps around. The colors are pretty close. Here, I can't even tell where they are. The locking pegs, where are they? They're in here. The purples blend in really nicely. There was a little spot right here on the back. As they said in Super Troopers, don't worry about that guy. That was a mistake I made by leaving the book nook on top of my super glue. But I really like this book nook. It's small, it's compact, but it's really full of detail. I really like how they accomplished a lot of depth in such a small area. Taking a look really quick here, we have the door lock, so we'll unlock that here. We're going to open the doors to this chapel. I do like how they texture both doors. So before that, we're going to turn the light on. Oops, sorry. We're going to turn the lights on before the doors. All right. So what I like about it is even with the doors closed, you have that stained glass effect of the doors. We get that effect, and as we open it up, we're going to turn it off again. So we really get the nice scale in there. All right, and then as we turn it on, it's just beautiful. We have our choir singers here. We got some pews and a pulpit here, and then the atmospheric lights really give it a huge depth. I like the celestial pattern in the back as well. You can see some more color matching from the markers right here. Let's zoom in a little bit. Right, you can actually see all those the front painting in the maroon, the yellow, and the blue. All that coming down, that's all the Ohuhu markers, and you can, if you can't tell, there's no dark spots, there's no thin spots. You know, that yellow stripe goes all the way to the back, and it is solid. And on those light colors, you usually have a lot more difficulty than on those dark colors. But the maroon looked really good. The blue and I really can't get over how good it looks on the front. Really happy with this. So I got this book nook. Oops, sorry. Got this book nook as a 2-pack I want to say it's the Pantheon, but I don't think it's the Pantheon. I can't remember what the other one is. But I do have a video where I do unbox these both, so it's gotta be listed somewhere. But I just gotta say, I really was happy with how this came out. I think the markers, you can see the stained glass coming in through there. You even get a little out the back through the accordion. What's cool is you guys can see through the top of the accordion wood that blue light coming through. You can't see it with the naked eye. I wonder if the lights were off in the room, if you'd be able to see it. But like that right here, I can't see that. The camera picks it up. That's pretty cool. But I think this was a great test for the Ohuhus. It was a small, simple kit, but it had some very vibrant colors, and I think it did an admirable job picking up on those colors and making everything solid. A lot of blending had to go in to this top, to this purpley blue, black mixtures. That would be 3 colors layered on top of each other, and I think it really came out well. So this is the Notre Basilica De Montreal from MiniCity with the Ohuhu Kahuku markers. And until next time, this is Pluck the Bunny saying, good looking. Good Nooking.